So this is mixing the grout. So what you're gonna do is it's still too watery. So you put the amount of water first, and then you pour the grout, and you want to get a consistency. I don't have a big one, so I am mixing it until it has the texture of peanut butter, and you get all the lumps out. And don't be afraid. I was afraid of this to do this because I thought I was gonna mess it up, but you can't mess it up. It's like when you mix pancakes and you just put too much. You get the consistency of peanut butter, so it's still too soft. And the reason is because when you apply it, you want it to stick to the tiles. So just mix, and you have to add just to see it's still watery. So just add some more. And this grout is gray. So this polyblend gray. Just make sure you look for the color that you want to mix your. And just clean your area, and you just mix it, and consistency. Still take all those lumps out and mix it. I mean, if you're gonna do a large amount of area, you just make sure that you can use a machine to mix. But I'm only doing the backsplash. So I just wanna mix. You see, just keep mixing. And it's still watery a little, so I'm gonna add some more. Don't be afraid. And just keep mixing it. It's really cool. Again, you want to get it a little thick so it'd be easier to apply on the wall, and just mixing it where it's not too watery. And you want to make sure that I might need a little bit more. So just add a little bit just to make it a little bit thicker. Again, the consistency of peanut butter. Peanut butter is a little, you want to make sure that it's okay. You see how it's getting there? It's a little thicker now. Get it in there. There you go. You want a little bit more, but as you turn it, you should be able to get to the consistency, so it's easy to put on the wall, on the tiles. So again, put the water first, and then mix. So it's still a little. You want to put it on the wall, so it might be a little too watery still. So just add a little more as you again, don't be afraid. Just mix it, and it should be just right. You could use a bigger bowl, but I use a little bowl. And there you go. Mix it until you get that peanut butter thickness. See? We try to get all the little lumps out. And then apply. Alright. I'll keep you posted.